Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Huawei Mate 20X. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Settings. Then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then you have to scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down again and click I agree and click Next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click Next. And then click back. And now we have to go to lock screen and click Yes, I'm in. Make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.